Have you ever contemplated why some people seem to effortlessly manage their finances while others struggle? Could frugality be the secret ingredient to a healthy financial life? Welcome to a journey exploring the art of frugal living and budgeting hacks. Imagine a life where money doesn't rule but serves you. A life where you're not constantly anxious about the next bill, but at peace, knowing you have control over your finances. This isn't just a pipe dream. It's achievable with the right mindset and some practical strategies. Firstly, understanding your income and expenses is essential. Know exactly what comes in and what goes out. Write down your income and all your monthly expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your financial situation, you can start making changes. Secondly, differentiate between needs and wants. Needs are the essentials for survival, like food, clothing and shelter. Wants, on the other hand, are things that are nice to have, but not necessary. Many times, cutting down on wants can significantly reduce expenses. Now, let's delve into the magic of meal planning. Planning meals in advance and cooking at home can save a considerable amount of money. It's healthier, cheaper, and reduces impulse buying. Next, consider the benefits of buying second-hand. From clothes to furniture, opting for pre-loved items can dramatically cut costs. It's not only good for your pocket, but also for the environment. Moreover, remember the power of DIY. From home repairs to gifts, doing it yourself can save a lot of money. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. And finally, don't underestimate the potential of a side hustle. It can provide an additional income stream and can sometimes even turn into a full-fledged business. To recap, the secrets to a frugal life and financial freedom include understanding your income and expenses, distinguishing between needs and wants, meal planning, buying second-hand, embracing DIY, and considering a side hustle. Remember, frugality isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making better choices, being resourceful, and living within your means. It's about freedom, peace of mind, and financial health. As we conclude this journey, we hope these tips and hacks inspire you to take control of your financial life. Frugality isn't a punishment, it's a liberating lifestyle. It's the art of living more with less. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration.